Karnic SL800 in Hong Kong. Hi, this is Baggy from Asia Boating Limited, and today we're going to have a look at the Karnic SL800. The SL800 is one of the most sensible boats in terms of size and design. It is a perfect boat for a small family, so it can be a weekender, it can be a day cruiser as well. This is a low maintenance boat, so you're not going to find a lot of electronic moving seats and electronic moving platforms. Those things usually require a lot of time to fix and repair. So this is kind of made for ease of use, and you spend more time boating rather than going to the shipyard and try to fix things that you barely ever use. This boat has two engines, two Yamaha outboard engines, and it is a lot safer than one engine. It does add to the cost, but it is a lot more safer and a lot more there's a lot more peace of mind while you're driving the boat. This is the inside. Now I'm 5'10" and I can stand up here pretty comfortably. Not bad. Yep. Come inside. See. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, this is a seating area, which is good when I'm sitting. Yeah, practical. It will be good for about 3-4 people to sit here, not a problem. Yeah. Behind that is the small berth, sleeping space for two. Here we go. This area can, this table can be removed, and it can become a bed as well. And here's another bedroom area. Yep, there we go. It's all right, as good as a boat can get. You see? Yeah. This is quite comfortable for at least an average person of my size, which is about 5'10", and yeah. So it's kind of a double bed. Two people can sleep here. So this is the front area that can be turned into a bed, a double bed. So it's yep, it's quite spacious for two people. So again, this is the toilet. It's okay, I can still stand here. It's good enough. This is a manual vacuum pump toilet that you can use. Of course, we don't want to have electric toilets to just ensure there's less maintenance. Here's the sink here. So this can come up and this can become a shower. So there's a space for showering.